everyone, I'm Pratibha and welcome to my channel The Desert Turk. Today I'm come up with a recipe of fresh fruit butter. Yes, you heard it right, fruit butter. Don't know? No worries. Let's quickly learn what is fruit butter. So fruit butter is actually a sweet spread which is being cooked from a fresh fruit to a paste-like consistency, which further being sweetened with sugar, honey, maple syrup and various sweeteners, and also spiced up with various condiments of your choice. So now that you know that what is fruit butter, let's quickly grab the recipe into my kitchen, and today we are going to make up a most common fruit butter, that is in apple butter. Yes, so let's get started.
Firstly, take 1 kg fresh apples and chop them into small chunks so that apple can cook speedily and uniformly. Now pour all the chunks into a heavy bottom saucepan to get cooked. Now to the apples add 1 cup of water so that they can cook easily. Now cover with the lid for 15 to 20 minutes. After 15-20 minutes, take 1 chunk from the pan and press it. If it is pressed nicely, that means your apples are cooked very well. Take the pan off the heat and let it cool. Take the closest look of the cooked apples. After cooling, pour all the apple chunks along with its stew into a blender jar and blend it to a smooth puree. Now let me show you the blended puree. It is looking so amazing, so creamy, so smooth. Now pass this puree to a mesh strainer, which having a very thin mesh size, so that we can get extra smooth puree. Now give it a mix and take this puree again to a heavy bottom saucepan on a low heat, and to it add apple cider vinegar or simply white vinegar, half cup, and now adding 1.5 cup of sugar to it. Mix everything well and let it boil on low heat only. Stir the mixture for the entire process, otherwise it will burn. Now you can see that our puree starts thickening and it gives a very nice caramel color. Now you can see that our puree gets sticking to the pan. At this moment we have to add some condiments to it to spice it up. 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/8 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1/4 of clove and a pinch of salt. Add all the condiments to the apple puree mixture and mix it well. Now to this we're going to add 1 medium lemon along with its zest. At this moment we have to blend all the ingredients for about 1 to 2 minutes, and now take the pan off the heat because our puree gets super amazingly thick, the super amazing consistency we get of our apple butter. You can see here. Let it cool at room temperature. Then after cooling, butter becomes more thicker and gives us perfect consistency. Now transfer this butter to a clean glass bowl or to a clean glass jar. See a smooth, silky texture.
Isn't this butter looking super delicious and super creamy in texture? Yes, definitely it is. You can use this butter recipe in your various desserts like ice creams, toppings, spreaders, fillings, and as in various egg replacer recipes. In place of applesauce, you can use apple butter, and in various egg replacer recipes, you can use your apple butter. So make this recipe. But before that, hold on. Let's take a quick recap to our recipe. So thank you for watching my video. Like, share and subscribe. Happy baking. Till then, bye bye.